Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com. Let's take a look at this Kwikee Replacement Rocker Switch with door sensor. Now this is going to replace the switch kit for your Kwikee electric RV Steps, and this does include the mounting tabs, the wiring, and the rocker power switch. And this is going to fit steps that are equipped with a control unit. And this kit is designed to replace the rocker switches manufactured after 1999. So these two-piece mounting tabs are magnetic, and they're going to mount to your RV door and door frame to stop retraction when they touch. And the black powder rocker switch is going to mount inside of your RV to activate the magnetic tabs. And let me go ahead and give you some overall measurements of these pieces just to give you the further confidence that this is going to work for you. So looking at this switch plate first and looking at the overall height, as you can see we're sitting right at 2 3/4 inches tall. And then the width looks like we're sitting right at about 1 9/16 inches wide. And those mounting holes, let me see if I can line that up for you so you can see. Looks like we're sitting right at about 2 1/8 inches center to center. And then looking at the rocker switch itself, the overall height of that rocker switch, we're sitting right at about 1 1/4 inches tall. The width, right at about 5/8 of an inch wide. And then the depth, and I'm counting all the way to our prongs here in the back. We're sitting right at about 1 1/8 inches. Let me do it this way. That's a little bit better representation. Switch it around. Yeah, it looks like we're about at 1 1/8 inches on that mounting depth. And then the door tab switch, let me pick this one up. This is going to be a little bit easier to measure. Looking at that length, 1 1/4 inches long. Looking at the width, 1/2 inch wide. And then the depth, about 5/16 of an inch deep. And the actual length of this wire measured right at about 17.5 inches long. So this is going to work with your 250 volt system and has a amperage of 10 amps. Well, that's going to conclude our brief look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.